Welcome to or channel, where we unravel the secrets of social media for a seamless experience. Today, we'll explore a helpful technique, downloading Twitter videos to your phone's gallery. This allows you to save videos for offline viewing or sharing. Twitter often hosts valuable and engaging videos. However, the platform doesn't offer a direct download option. Therefore, knowing how to save these videos is a valuable skill. Navigate to the tweet containing the video you wish to download. Tap the share icon on the tweet and select Copy Link to Tweet. This action will copy the video's URL to your clipboard. Open your browser and visit a Twitter video downloader website. On the downloader website, paste the copied link into the provided field and click Download. Select the video quality or format if available and tap Download to initiate the video download process. Once the download is complete, the video will be saved to your phone's gallery for offline access. We hope this tutorial enriches your Twitter experience by enabling you to save and access captivating videos effortlessly. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful social media tips and tricks.